This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Swanson. Spacious ground floor 1-bedroom plus alcove condo unit with no stairs. Great condition with 9 ceilings and great afternoon sun exposure. Floor plan features a master bedroom, living room, kitchen, laundry and storage rooms. Wide doors make the unit wheelchair accessible. Tile and carpet floors. Patio. Don't miss all the Darby amenities including clubhouse and on-site gym. Close proximity to all shopping needs and I-5. For more information, review the details below.